Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. I am Shel Oyebisi. As some of you subscribers may know, if you are a newbie, you are welcome on board, and old subscriber, welcome on board. Today we are going to be talking about how to make our shea butter scrub. You know, I'm going to be showing you a secret about shea butter. Some of us must have watched the short video that I posted on how to make shea butter from beginning till the end. However, it is only those that are in the paid class that will be able to watch the detailed video of that production. Now, the end product of shea butter is what we are going to be using today to make this shea butter scrub. I'm glad that you are here, and I'm sure that at the end of this production, you'll be glad that you did view this. Come along with me. Hello and welcome to today's edition of the MapGo tutorial series. Today I'll be teaching us something special. Here is our shea butter waste. What do I mean by shea butter waste? This is the last residue of our shea butter production. After we have removed all the necessary things we need in the shaft, this is the shaft. After we have removed every other thing we need, here is the shaft of the shea butter, and that is why I named this shea butter scrub. Now, a very few people are aware that this can be used to make a scrub, and that is what I'm about to experiment today. So please come along with me. Here is my castle soap. As you see, it's liquid in form. I've used it in so many of my productions. Here is my shea oil. I'm using it in combination with this so that it will, maybe let me say, it will make sense. And here is my glycerin. I'll be using a bit of the glycerin to garnish these products. Now, I'll be putting in my, let's call it shaft, my shaft into the container. You know, it's supposed to have been probably more granulated than this, but this is what I have, and I'll make do with this that I have. So if there's anyone that is probably too hard, you use your hand to sort it out before you use. Now, as you can see, I can easily mix it. Now I'll be adding in my castle soap. Here is my castle soap. Castle soap, you know, is a soap on its own. You can assume it to be something like a wash. It's usually very thick. So we add it to this so that this will blend well on our skin. So as you can see, I'm mixing it together. So if you have anybody selling shea butter or making shea butter, please educate them that the end product of that shea butter is very useful. Number one, this scrub will be very cheap. It will come at a very cheap rate because this end product is something that is sold. A lot of people even pour it away. So when you approach them to buy it, it will be sold at a giveaway price, and you and I knows that this can turn into money. So this can be used by anybody, any skin type. You know, shea butter moisturizes. So whatever skin type you have, please go ahead and make use of this. Now you can see how it has turned from this. You can see how powdery it is, and you can see how it is now. Now I'll be adding in my shea oil. We'll be adding in shea oil to taste. So I'll be adding in my shea oil. Sometimes you may not actually need to add shea oil. It depends on the producers of the product. Some people are not able to press out the entire oil out of this. So you can use a little lesser of the oil if you can still see oil on the shaft. But if there is no oil, you have to add oil to taste. Also, you can use this, like I said, by any skin type. For those people that have maybe rashes, they have, you know, maybe burnt skin, they have any skin impediment, anybody that has that, you can easily sell this to them, or you can easily use them. First of all, you will have it in large quantity. You know, I have a lot of this now. You will have it in large quantity. So if you are treating the skin, you will add these few ingredients to it, and you can have access to this to use it until whatever skin impediment is over. So we are going to, if you want to garnish this, like I'm going to be doing now, I'll be adding in a bit of my glycerin. Let me say 10 ml of my glycerin. You know that glycerin is an humectant. I've said this on several occasions. So when you are using this, rubbing it, your skin will not dry out. It will work perfectly on your skin, and I know you are going to love this. So if you want to add fragrance, peradventure you are selling it to a client, you add fragrance. You know, this looks more like a cocoa scrub. However, it's a shea scrub. You know, maybe some people that will have clicked, if you're a new subscriber, will be expecting me to use maybe shea butter and maybe sugar, but this is more natural. We're not adding any sugar, we're not adding any salt, we're just using this scrub, this end product of shea butter. We're adding it to our shea oil, and to use it, you're supposed to scoop it this way. You are supposed to rub it this way. I hope you can see this. Rub it this way on your skin. Rub it this way on your skin. I hope you can see this. I hope you can see this. You're supposed to rub it this way on your skin, and by the time you do this, I'll be washing off my hand now so that we can see the end result. It's not flaky, unlike the initial one that is somehow hard. If we use it that way, it will be a little hard on our skin. This one that we have reproduced will give us a very wonderful, you understand, we moisturize your skin, we exfoliate the skin, it will exfoliate it thoroughly. So at the end of the day, to exfoliate your skin thoroughly, you can see, you can use it on your face, you can use it on any skin that is having any issue. Thank you for watching. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you have benefited from whatever it is that you have learned today, please give this video a thumb up. Please come back for existing subscribers. I appreciate it. Please stay tuned. Now, for those of us that may need this end product, is readily available. Please send me messages on my DM. Also, for those people that are interested in the paid class, the full video of how shea butter is made is in the paid class that you are going to be able to watch it. So please send me DMs and let's start from there. Thank you for viewing, and see you in my next video. Bye.